Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Peugeot 2008 supports Apple CarPlay and updating the car's infotainment and your iPhone. This avoids compatibility failures. Plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the iPhone and the car's USB port labeled with a smartphone icon, or enable wireless CarPlay if your trim supports it. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth, Siri, and cellular data because CarPlay uses system services. Once done, expect the car display to prompt pairing. Accept prompts on both devices to continue. Next, you authorize the connection and configure CarPlay for regular use. When the car display shows an incoming CarPlay session, tap Accept, then confirm the iPhone's Bluetooth pairing request. This links audio, mic, and data. Grant permissions for contacts, messages, and location so navigation and call features work. Without these, CarPlay will be limited. Then customize the app layout from your iPhone. Open Settings, General CarPlay. Select your Peugeot 2008 and arrange icons to prioritize navigation and audio apps for safer driving. To finish, verify functionality by launching Maps, making a call, and playing audio through CarPlay. Use Siri to confirm voice control. If the system fails to connect, restart your iPhone and the car, toggle Bluetooth, and retry with a different certified Lightning cable. Damaged cables are a common culprit. If problems persist after these steps, check the car's firmware version and perform a Bluetooth reset on the infotainment system. As a last resort, schedule a dealer visit because some unit-level updates require professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.